Hello and welcome to this first video for the channel. My name is Cameron Bailey and I'll be your host. I look forward to presenting a number of videos in this channel. This channel will be predominantly focused on the subject of display advertising, or sometimes called banner advertising. That is the ads that you see when you're browsing the web looking at other websites, at websites that feature advertising. And we're going to talk a lot about that in this channel. The reason I love display advertising is that it creates demand. Search advertising, when people hear about Google advertising, they always think about search ads. Those ads that you see when you type something into Google search and you see some ads there. That's what people usually think about when they hear about Google ads. But Google has this entire other channel, and it's in the display advertising space. In actual fact, they are the largest display advertiser in the world. And certainly in the Australian market where I'm from, they are by a significant margin the most dominant. Other types of display advertising that you would be familiar with is boosted posts on Facebook or Meta, or on Instagram on the Meta network. These are also sort of display ads, although they are in the social media networks, and we will talk about them and the comparisons about them at some point in the future. But today I'd just like to introduce the concept of display advertising and how it works. So I'm just going to go to a website that I was looking at this morning. Our Australian Diamonds won the Netball World Cup on the weekend, and I was looking up a bit of information about it. And I came to this page and I saw the ad that's rolling at the top and also down the side. These are display ads or banner ads. This one here is a large one, 970 by 250 pixels wide, massive real estate on the screen, as you can see here. And this one here is a 300 by 600 version of the ad. And it's, once again, quite a large, prominent part of the display there. One of the reasons this is interesting is that while I grew up and I used to spend a fair bit of time at a special school in primary school, I haven't thought of cerebral palsy for a long, long time. And so what this ad has done is it has created a demand or a thought process in me that I've gone, maybe I might have gone actually, maybe I should be looking into cerebral palsy and maybe I could help some people with cerebral palsy like I used to do when I was in primary school. So that would then trigger me to go to the Google search engine and type something like maybe donating to cerebral palsy. That will present these search ads here. The search ads that we are really familiar with seeing. So these are for two charities that support cerebral palsy, Steptember and the cerebralpalsy.org.au website. The next step, next natural step for me would be to click on one of these, find out a little bit of information and potentially donate. And that's exactly what these two companies want you to do. But if all they ever focused on was search advertising, what we would find is that I would never have actually come to them. There is a very slim chance that I'm going to be looking to donate to cerebral palsy today if it wasn't for the ad that I saw running on an unrelated website about the Australian Diamonds. So the process that I want to talk about here, and the process I want you to go away with, or the thought process I want you to go away with, is display advertising creates demand where search advertising responds to demand. We're going to be going through a lot of these sorts of scenarios and lots of different information on this channel. I look forward to being your host and talking you through all of this. I'm Cameron Bailey, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon.